guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherry. So if you are watching this beautiful face for the first time, please join our community. 1, because it's free. 2, you'll be supporting me. And 3, you'll be getting content that is glorifying God, which is the most important thing. So today it is a cold day, guys. It is so cold. I am warm in the house, trying to cook at the same time. I'm looking at the dishes thinking, son, you better come out so that I can use dishwasher. Guys, do remember I have solar panels, and yeah, we rely on sun. And yes, I can wash dishes, but then it'll pull from electricity, and I don't want that. So yeah, we hopefully waiting for the sun to come so that I can continue with dishes. I don't feel like cleaning. And you know, when parents say go to your house, you must buy your own house so that you can make your own rules. And my rules today is I do not want to clean, and I don't think I need to clean. I mean, really, I resigned because I do not want to be told on what to do with my day. So yeah, guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a mixture of vlogs, things that I did. I went to weddings, I cooked, I just did so many things. I even went to a thrift shop, and yo guys, that thrift shop is so big, and apparently they load clothes every Tuesday. And I bought this leather jacket, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like it's so nice. And I'm not sure if I'll show you on this video, or maybe I'll show you one day when I wear that jacket. But my husband was like, oh wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, so let's enjoy today's video, and yeah, take it slow. I am planning to start a series where I'll just invite people to just come and give God the glory on things that they overcame. And yeah, God, I deserve the glory. So just think of things that God has done in your life and be grateful, guys. So yeah, let's go to today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. So our friends got married, and we were asked to bring food, catering for 40 people. So I chose fried rice. Actually, it's salad rice, and I had to make it, guys. So I went to TikTok and made this, and I am so glad that they came up with that idea. It was a beautiful wedding. Hey guys, I'm at a wedding at some farm, so I'm trying to go down this hill where the chairs will be. So this is how I look. My hair is not behaving. Let me fix my hair. Yeah. Hey, it's not behaving. But then I'm almost here. Let me just show you the place instead of me. So if you want to see my dress, this is how I look. Yeah. So my son forgot his soccer clothes, so I'm at Kuro bringing the clothes. Hopefully I'll find him easily because there's a lot of kids here. Alright guys, I found him. He is now going to play, so I'll go back to the car, and then yeah, I have his bag. He'll find me in the car when he's done. So yeah, let's just go. Let's just go. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Oh guys, can you see I think being under the trees, it's so nice. So nice. So yeah, let's go back to my car. Mom duties, which I love. So you see, if I was working, I wasn't going to fetch, bring his clothes. But now I get to come to school anytime. And I also want to do swimming classes here. They offer swimming classes here. So I think I'll just go. Yeah, I think I'll just go and see and ask if I want to do swimming classes here. What must I do? Because I think they just charge a certain fee. Yeah, let me go because we really do need to sort out the swimming thing. So I nearly fell. I'm good. Let's just go. I'll go to the swimming area and then I can see if I can join the classes and how much. I think I found what I'm looking for, so I'll just go and call the office. Then I'll start the swimming classes because I think it's one of my goals to know how to swim. I'm scared of swimming, guys. So many people tried, but I keep failing. So yeah, I'm almost closer to my car. Just going to put this bag and then we continue. So Aki, how was school?
Bad.
Why?
Because Zulu and Setswana was 1 hour long today.
But Zulu you like most. It's easy for you because you can speak Zulu.
Yes, but the teacher kept on making other people answer, but not me. Because
But why?
It was too easy for me.
Also, you don't like it because it's too easy for you. Just get A's when. But yeah, and then what else did you attend?
There was a student teacher came.
What?
Student teacher.
Student teacher, okay. To do what?
Because our teacher went to a rugby match with the rugby boys.
Oh, okay. And then how was your lunch?
It was good.
Mm-hmm.
But I only got to eat the bread. I never got to eat my apple.
Why?
Because break is only 20 to 15 minutes long.
But isn't that enough for you to eat? Because at home when you want to play, you eat for 2 minutes.
Yes, but I don't get to play anymore. And when I was playing, then I was gonna eat. But there was only 2 minutes left for me to eat. So I just didn't eat my apple.
But then you get 2 breaks. Why didn't you use the other break to eat your apple? Or you didn't like it?
The first break I was playing. Then that's when it happened at the second break.
Okay, did you finish all 4 slices? Yo, you eat these days, ne? Remember how you never used to eat? Yeah. Alright, so what are you going to do now when you get home?
Change.
And?
Then do my homework.
And?
Then I'll eat.
What about your dog?
And then I'll feed him.
Alright, and I'm so proud of you. You did your bed today. Pela, this whole week when you didn't do your bed, young Rob, ane? Young Rob, it's what?
No, I'm not.
Why are you doing a bed?
Because I don't have time.
You take time, like I saw this morning, but you take 10 minutes to wash your teeth, Tabang. You can take off your shirt if you want. It's hot in here.
Okay.
And then, yeah, what else did you do at school? What did your friends say today?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Oh, alright. Alright, Aki, so let's wait for Tina and then we'll go back home. I still need to cook. You must grow up so you can help me with cooking, ne?
Okay.
Are you going to help Mama? Do you like cooking? Oh, okay. So this.
I like mixing recipes.
Oh, like what?
like soup,
Mm-hmm.
and then I add some vegetables, and then I mix then I mix.
You fry. Okay, you must cook one day with me, ne?
Okay.
Alright, I guess